Hello everyone! Today we're making a no-bake strawberry cube. It's super quick to make and delicious, perfect for hot days. You can find the exact amount of ingredients in the description below the video. First, whip the cream until stiff. Then, once the cream is whipped, add blended strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen strawberries, but if you're using frozen ones, make sure to defrost them first. Once the strawberries are blended and liquid but cooled, our mixture is ready. I'm using a 20 by 30 centimeter baking tray. Line it with biscuits that have been soaked in milk. You can also use water with lemon juice instead. Pour out the prepared mousse and spread it out. Put the biscuits on top and put the whole thing in the fridge to cool. Just before serving, sprinkle it with powdered sugar and it's ready. It's easy to make, delicious, and I highly recommend it. Of course, you can find the exact recipe in the description below the video on my blog. Cheers!